All right, what is going on, guys? Hey, this is a new format. I'm trying this out. Let me know if you like this, if you could see the screen clearly. But I made a video earlier today talking about Jasmy, talking about the total crypto market cap, and I gave you my worst case scenario. And in today's video, I want to go over the top that I think will happen with all cryptos. And we're going to do that by looking at the total crypto market cap. We're going to be using Fibonacci and talking about 21 EMA, stochastic RSI, and negative divergence forming. So if you're here for it, don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel and let's get right into it. So guys, I first want to go back to way down here. So this is the total crypto market cap. You can see right here. I want to go back way over here so we could see the top at this point was in January 2018. First thing I want you guys to notice is if you look at the RSI, which is right here, and this is a monthly time frame, by the way, this RSI was creating negative divergence. So what is negative divergence? Negative divergence is when the RSI makes a high and it makes a lower high, but the asset makes a higher high. So you could see, well, the crypto total market cap made a higher high. Okay, so more money flowed in, and then it crashed down hard. Why did it crash down hard? And what would have told you that this was going to crash back in the day? A couple things, guys. Negative divergence was definitely an indicator that you could start to use once you start to understand it that will tell you when to get out. Okay. Another thing is the RSI on a monthly time frame was over 96 at this point. It hit highs of 98. So this is already very, very overbought. And some people probably would have sold this right here and they would have missed this massive run up. I really like to look for negative divergence though on a weekly and monthly time frame to tell me when to sell. So this is what happens. So let's now kind of look at, well, where would the top be based off this for the next cycle? So we take a Fibonacci retracement, we bring it from this high point of 762 billion at the time, and we bring it all the way to the low point, which is right down here. It bottomed out around 92 billion. Absolutely insane. Can you imagine if you bought crypto down here? Maybe some of you did. Okay. We could see that now it's starting to climb. Okay. It's testing fib lines, tested here, rejected, came up here, and it just started going on a massive bull run. Okay. This was all of 2020. So this was March. And then we go July, September, October, November, December, January, February of 2021. We're still going up. We passed the 1.618 level. We got to the 2.618 level. You could see that there's a wick right here. Let me zoom in for you. This candle was in March of 2021, a huge wick, and then we wicked down, right? So that was a massive pullback. But the bull run wasn't over yet. This was a pullback of about 12% out of the market cap. Pretty significant. Okay. Then we continued to go higher. This was back in April of 2021. And then look at this, guys. We topped out at the 3618 level, this wick, and then we had two massive red candles over the next 2 months in May of 2021 and then June of 2021. Then what happened? Let's go back to the RSI. Oh my goodness, what happened here? Hold on, give me a second. Pull this back down. Okay, here we go. So we got the RSI right here. On a monthly time frame, guys, what did this hit? 93. You could have sold right here because it's very overbought. Okay, stochastic also started to curl down. These are indicators that tells you when to buy and sell. I literally just made a video about this yesterday on my Patreon. It's $109. I go over all this stuff in detail. It's 26 minutes if you want to invest in yourself. Go to my Patreon, links are down below. Go to shop, buy it. I email you the video and you get to watch it over and over again. And you can really study it, especially this weekend. So look, we started to climb back up, right? And look at where we finished. We finished at the 4.236 level. This is a full Fibonacci retracement from this point that I showed you way over here back in 2018. So from January 2018, we had a bear market and then we topped out in November of 2021. Okay. So now that you kind of understand Fibonacci and you're understanding negative divergence and stochastic and RSI, where are we at today? So let me erase this. And this will tell you a lot with Jasmy also, guys, of where the market cap top will be. So right now, you could see where the stochastic is coming down like it has before. I really think we're in this area right here. I think we're in this area, and then we're going to have a massive rally much higher. So where are the tops going to be? That's the question. So if we take a Fibonacci from the old high, let's say from right here of November of 2021, and we bring it to the low point of about 726 billion, you could see that so far we've gotten to the 786 level. So we've retraced to this zone. We did break above it for a little bit, but initially we rejected. So what's the next area I would look for? Is about 4.4 trillion for total crypto market cap. This is definitely an area that I think could be a top. You got to think about it, guys. This could definitely be a top right here. Okay. Based off previous cycles, this could be a top. Now, another thing I would look for is I do think we'll push a little higher. My top that I've shared with all of you is about 6 trillion. So 6 to 7 trillion would be the 2.618 level right here. It's another area you need to be looking out for. And then if you want to get super bullish, guys, you're right here, just above $10 trillion market cap. Would be a full Fibonacci retracement. This is when I would sell everything at this point, because we've seen what's happened before. Massive bear cycles right after, okay? So that's kind of what I'm basing this off of where the top is right now. I don't think the top is in. We're trading above the 21 EMA on a monthly time frame, which is really good. Also, you could see, guys, let me erase this real quick. In the past, this was negative divergence, right? Got the RSI at a high point, made a lower high. Well, crypto market cap made a higher high, negative divergence, very bearish, time to sell. Right here, we haven't done that. We have a high point for total crypto market cap of 73 on an RSI, which is still overbought. So just a rule of thumb, over 70 is pretty overbought, especially on a monthly time frame. But we could see that we haven't made a higher high yet for the total crypto market cap. So there's no negative divergence forming yet, which makes me believe we're going much higher. Now, if we take a Fibonacci, now another thing you guys got to know, I know this video is kind of longer, but hopefully you're getting some value from it, is if I take a fib from the low point of 744 billion and I bring it to the most recent high of about 2.7 trillion, you can see right now we're holding the 382 level. Okay. So this is good. If we could stay above this on a monthly time frame and we don't have a candle close below it, then I would get bullish. And I think it's time to soon start rallying again, especially with elections right around the corner. But if we close below this, the next area you need to look for is right around 1.75 trillion would be a market cap that we could go down to. Okay, now this is going to affect Jasmy. This is going to affect Dogecoin, all the coins that you guys like and talk about. Might not affect XRP as much. I think XRP moves on its own, but this is something you need to be aware of. So let's say worst case scenario goes down here. Well, what's next? So let me erase this. And now let's take another fib and let's bring it. What's going on here? Hold on. So let's get rid of this. There we go. All right. So let's take a fib from this high point of 2.7 trillion. Let's bring it down. Let's say we do get back down to, which we've also wicked down here. Just want to be aware of that also. So we can definitely come back down again. Let's say we get back down to this area. Well, these are the fib levels I'd be looking for. So again, the 2.618 level lines up with the 4.4 trillion. This is definitely an area I would be looking as a top right here. Okay, I know a lot of people think we're going to 10 trillion. I just don't know if that's going to be the case. And then a full Fibonacci retracement from this area is about 6 trillion. So that's why I've always stated 6 trillion is pretty much my top where I would be looking for. But still, guys, pretty amazing, right? If we can get to a $6 trillion market cap, not bad. Not bad at all. And then let's actually take a trend line real quick from here. Let's do it like this. If we do the candles. So yeah. So again, even this trend line looks to be that we're going to get at least to a $4.4 trillion market cap. Okay, if we just follow what we've followed since 2017, 2018, we should then rally up here very soon. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. Again, these would be my tops with crypto. Jasmy will go much higher, in my opinion, than where it's at right now, just basing it off of this. Don't forget to drop a like, guys. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion. But with that, I hope you have a great day.